Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best pasta pots on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Gotham Steel 5 Quart Multipurpose Pasta Pot. This nifty 5-quart pot is not as large as some of our other picks, but it has one of the best designs. With a built-in strainer lid that features 2 different sizes of straining holes, one on each side, and handles that twist to lock the lid securely in place, the design ensures that it won't slip while you're straining out the cooking water, letting your pasta slide into the sink. The locking lid feature also makes this a great pot for popping popcorn. The transparent tempered glass lid lets you monitor cooking without removing it, and the interior of the pot features a durable non-stick titanium ceramic coating that's resistant to scratching, even with metal utensils. The pot is both oven and dishwasher safe, so it can also be used for baking casseroles, with effortless cleanup. Material: aluminum, stainless steel, and glass. Overall capacity: 5 quarts. Induction ready, no. Oven max, 500 degrees. Dishwasher safe, yes. What we like: durable, triple-coated non-stick finish. Dishwasher safe. Locking the lid. What we don't like: cannot be used on induction. Lid handle gets hot. Number 2. Our second best pick is Cook's Standard Classic 4-piece 12-quart pasta pot. For home chefs, pasta pots usually have a capacity of up to 8 quarts. But if you have a large family or cook in volumes, you might need something a little bigger. In that case, this Cook's Standard Pasta Pot has an extra large capacity of up to 12 quarts. This gives you the ability to cook more pasta at once and also contributes to a better consistency. It checks a lot of the boxes for a great pasta pot: even distribution of heat, compatible with induction, dishwasher safe, and includes 10.3-inch tall pasta and 9.45-inch wide steamer inserts. The fitted lid keeps heat and condensation in the pot, while the handles are meant to stay cool no matter how hot the kitchen gets. It is dishwasher safe. However, some reviewers note that the pot has rusted or tarnished in a short period of time. Material: stainless steel with aluminum bottom. Overall capacity: 12 quarts. Induction ready, yes. Oven max, 500 degrees. Dishwasher safe, yes. What we like: easy to clean. Polished design. Wide steamer insert. What we don't like: might be prone to rust. Number 3. Our third best pick is All-Clad 6-quart stainless steel pasta pot and insert. This 3-piece set from a respected cookware manufacturer is made from heavyweight stainless steel that, unlike some metals, won't react with acidic ingredients like tomato sauce, which can give your food a metallic flavor. The core of the pot's base is made of aluminum for quick and even heat distribution, and it has a 4-quart strainer insert so that you can simply lift your cooked pasta out of the pot when it's done, without having to lift and pour a heavy pot full of pasta and boiling water. One caveat is that the pot strainer might feel a bit short, as it seems to sit higher than some similar models. This makes the strainer great for steaming, but you might find yourself having to find the sweet spot when it comes to finding the maximum fill line for boiling water for noodles. It's not just for pasta, though. It can also be used for making stocks. Just lift out the ingredients when it's ready, leaving the broth behind in the pot, or steaming vegetables in the insert. It works on induction stovetops and in the oven, up to 600 degrees, and is dishwasher safe. Material: stainless steel. Overall capacity: 6 quarts. Strainer capacity: 4 quarts. Induction ready, yes. Oven max, 600 degrees. Dishwasher safe, yes. What we like: quick and even heat distribution. Induction ready. Dishwasher safe. What we don't like: insert sits higher than some other models. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Viking 8-quart 3-ply stainless steel pasta pot with steamer. There's a lot to like about this pasta pot, other than the hefty price tag. It's made of stainless steel and aluminum, so it's suitable for a variety of cooking methods, including induction. The high-quality 3-ply construction provides even heat distribution while the pasta cooks, which will help you to achieve the perfect al dente pasta every time. When dealing with multiple pasta dishes, one usually has to strain the entire pot of water and then reheat the pot to cook separate pasta dishes. With this insert, you can cook a batch of pasta and pull it out of the water to make room for the next batch of pasta, just like in the restaurants, without losing water. Material: stainless steel with aluminum core, overall capacity 8 quarts, induction ready, yes, oven max 500 degrees, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like: attractive design, large insert, induction ready. What we don't like: pricey. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Le Creuset 7-quart stainless steel stockpot. Le Creuset designs are not only maximized for functionality, they're also beautiful to look at. You'll want to leave this stainless steel stockpot on your stove all the time. It has a shiny luster and is made of materials that resist corrosion and discoloration over time, so it's a piece worth investing in. You'll get a lot of use out of this stockpot, not only for making pasta but also for soups, sauces, stews, vegetables, and more. It's clear to see why this pot gets so many good reviews. The interior is marked with measurements for easy use, and it's safe to use with metal utensils. The knob is easy to grasp, and the lid fits tightly to prevent steam from escaping. To control the flow of steam, the lid features strategically placed vents. If you're looking for something a little larger, this model also comes in a 9-quart capacity. Material: stainless steel and aluminum, overall capacity 7 quarts, induction ready, yes, oven max 500 degrees, dishwasher safe, yes. What we like: very attractive design, uniform heating, tight-fitting lid. What we don't like: expensive. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.